What do you think about this air?
It's pretty gross
How come it's gross?
because it's so smoky. There's so many sticks.
It is so smoky.
There's so many sticks.
You can see that. Where we live in Alberta, Canada, and there's been wildfires here the last month. It's been really, really bad. We get wildfire alerts every day, so we're at the ready to evacuate just in case. We need more water because water is
Life.
life.
There's so many sticks.
We're just going to keep on living life
Yeah.
and pray for rain.
Yeah.